Hey everyone, on today's video, we're going to go over sales transactions that took place in Q3. This is between 5 and 100 units, and we broke them down in 3 sections. We have non-coastal Long Beach and the 605 corridor, we have beach cities, and then we also have inland Orange County. We thought instead of breaking this into 3 different videos, we'd consolidate it all into one, be quick and concise to give all the viewers a good comprehensive understanding of what's going on in these markets. So let's dive in. So inland Long Beach or non-coastal Long Beach and the 605 corridor between 5 and 100 units, there was a total of 26 transactions that took place in Q3, which is a little bit of a tick up from Q2 where we saw 24 sales. So overall, good healthy sales activity. There was 0 assets that sold over 10 million. It's a smaller deal size market. The average price was 3.22 million was the average deal transaction, the average deal size. Now, of these transactions, Long Beach led the charge as anticipated. There was 15 transactions of the 26 that took place were in Long Beach. So if you're in the market, you're looking to buy, pay attention to Long Beach, pay attention to the deal size around $3 million because that's what's trading. And the averages were $269,000 per unit and $375 a foot for the inland Long Beach market and 605 corridor. So moving on to beach cities. Let's dive into beach cities. This is all the way to coastal Long Beach, all the way down to North County, San Diego, all in between in Orange County. So we also pulled a 5 to 100 unit size. There was 18 total transactions within the marketplace. Now of those, that's down a little bit of a tick. There was 23 sales that took place the prior quarter. Overall, healthy buyer interest within this marketplace. A lot of people are looking for flight to quality. They are looking to pay cash for assets. They want to buy in good locations. So we've seen really good high demand from buyers in this market. The average price per unit was $502 and $644 a square foot. So you're seeing some high metrics. $500,000 over is the average price per unit. Our team closed 2 transactions within this market. We also had 2 transactions that we closed in Long Beach as well. So we're active in both markets. The one that we closed in Costa Mesa was on Harbor Boulevard. That was owner financing. We've closed a few owner financing transactions and we're having to get creative on some of these deals in order to get them to the finish line. And then we also closed a property down in Escondido as well, 80s product for $282 per unit. And then that investor is going to be trading up into the Orange County market. We're really excited about that. So we're putting together their up leg in Q4. So overall, well-located coastal assets are selling. Costa Mesa was the most active market. There was 7 transactions that took place within Costa Mesa market. So that's making up a good portion of the transactions. So if you're looking to buy, pay attention to Costa Mesa. It's been highly sought after, especially assets on the east side. We've got a couple exchange buyers we're working with that are looking to buy in these markets. It's really hard to find anything. All right, so moving on to inland Orange County. So previous quarter, it was a little bit of a slump. There was a gap between cap rates and the cost of debt, and it really kind of stalled sales. Now we've seen sales pick up. There was over a 60% increase in sales transactions. So this quarter, there was 20 transactions that closed escrow. The prior quarter in Q2, there was only 12. And I think what's happened is now interest rates haven't stopped or pulled back, but we've seen some sellers kind of meet the market. And I think that's a big portion of what's going on right now to make up this activity. So Anaheim was the most active market with 9 sales. That's to be expected. It's one of the most higher transactional markets within the county. And then the average deal size was 4 million. So if you're looking to buy, that 4 million is a very big sweet spot. So pay attention there. And then also just to dive in on the price per units, $294,000 a unit was the average price per unit and $384 a square foot. We're starting to see some transactions take place in the low 200,000 per unit range, 225, 235, 240. So that's why some of that average is getting pulled down. Wouldn't be surprised if we go into next year and into Q4 and into 2024, we'll see maybe some of those price per units starting to bottom down into the low 200,000 per unit range for the bread and butter 1-bedroom style units. Okay, so of that we closed let's see, we closed 2 assets in Anaheim for the quarter, our team did, and then we closed 3 multifamily properties in Garden Grove. So we have a high level of buyer interest from our network that is looking to acquire buildings in inland Orange County. So overall, the market has held up. And of those entire transactions, our team was active with 10 transactions within the marketplace. We sold assets anywhere from Long Beach all the way down to North County, San Diego. And we have a good level of buyer interest in the marketplace. It's tough putting together transactions, but we're still getting things done. When we go into Q4, we're looking at 12 total escrows that our team has moving into Q4. So we anticipate to have another healthy level of transaction volume into Q4. So if you're looking for any data as it relates to what's going on in the market, rents, what's going on with pricing, what's happening in a local city, let us know. We're looking at everything. We're talking to the market. We're here and happy to help. So hopefully you found this of value. If you want to download the report, send us a email and we'll get you a copy. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.